Welcome to Math Magic Concepts. In this session we shall do exercises on counting. Are you ready?
Mr. Wiz, before we do exercises, I like to recite a poem that I have constructed on counting. See if it makes sense.
Sure, go ahead and recite.
We say 1 when we can count 1, and we know we have 1 item. We say 2 when we can count 1 and 2, and we know we have 2 items. We say 3 when we can count 1, 2, and 3, and we know we have 3 items. We say 4 when we can count 1, 2, 3, and 4, and we know we have 4 items. We say 5 when we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we know we have 5 items. We say 6 when we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and we know we have 6 items. We say 7 when we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and we know we have 7 items. We say 8 when we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and we know we have 8 items. We say 9 when we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and we know we have 9 items.
Hey curious. It was really wonderful. I am sure, now, it is a cakewalk for you to count from 1 to 9. Let's get started with the exercises. How many dwarfs do you see?
Let me count, Mr. Wiz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. There are 7 dwarfs.
Fabulous. How many mice are there?
Let me count 1, 2, 3, and 4. There are 4 mice.
That's correct. How many boss babies do you see?
Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There are 6 boss babies.
Excellent. How many boys do you see?
There is nothing much to count here. I see only 1 boy.
That's correct. When you have only 1 item, there is no need to count. Even when there are more than 1 item, with practice, you should be able to count just by looking at it. Person by name Vrihadaswa is mentioned in Mahabharata who knew how to count the number of leaves on a tree, just by looking at the tree.
That's very interesting. Someday with practice I will also become like Vrihadaswa.
How many pups do you see?
Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There are 8 pups.
Well done. How many cats do you see?
There are 2 cats. I am able to say without manually counting. Very soon I will be able to count like Vrihadaswa.
Excellent. How many bees do you see?
There are many. Without counting I can't tell. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. There are 9 bees.
Well done. If you are not sure, it is always better to count. I am sure you are not as bad as King Yudhishthira of Mahabharat. Did you know, Yudhishthira lost his kingdom in a game of dice, because he was bad with numbers. Later he learned the math skill from Vrihadaswa.
Well, are you saying even if numbers are difficult, with practice it becomes easy?
Yes, that's right. How many trees are you seeing?
There are 3 trees. Even I am able to say without counting.
Excellent, see, with practice you can do it. Last one, how many cars do you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are 5 cars. Mr. Viz, I like to drive one of them and go far racing.
Wonderful. With this, counting till 9 should be a breeze.